Hello, everyone. Welcome to the second episode of this series, Programming with Solidity for Absolute Beginners. So, in this episode, we are going to look at the blockchain technology and specifically the Ethereum blockchain. So, in the developer perspective, we could define the blockchain as a type of database that stores information like any other database, but with this time with certain features that are very unique from the traditional database that we have. So, looking at the Ethereum blockchain itself, it was built upon the Bitcoin innovation. Now, the blockchain that is backing the Bitcoin, the BTC, one of the biggest issue with that is that it is not programmable. That means that you cannot build apps or applications to interact with that particular blockchain. So around 2013, Ethereum also came to solve that kind of challenge. So Ethereum allows you to send Ether, which is the cryptocurrency related to the Ethereum blockchain, which is equivalent to the Bitcoin, and also allows you to build and run application or what we call decentralized application dApps through a smart contract. So we also explain what smart contracts are in our next episode or slides. Now, the Ethereum blockchain is immutable, just like any other blockchain, right? So see it as a form of database that stores a record of every transaction that has ever been taking place on that particular blockchain. Now, the key features of Ethereum blockchain is that it is decentralized, meaning that there is no central controller. Nobody is in charge of the blockchain, right? And it's immutable, meaning that um, once information is being stored on this type of database, it cannot be changed, it cannot be deleted, right? Because there are millions of nodes, millions of networks that are connected together. So each particular piece of information or transaction that is being recorded on this particular network or blockchain is being stored in each of the nodes, which are millions of them. So if you want to delete a particular history or a transaction history, it means you have to delete it from each PC or each particular node connected to the blockchain. Now, this is nearly impossible, right? And it's unstoppable, and it's also no downtime. That means that it is live forever. Now, a simple overview of how the blockchain works. So it's a decentralized and it's also peer to peer and also distributed. So now with peer to peer, it means that whenever we are going to interact, we interact peer to peer. There's no middleman. There's nobody in between us, right? So we build trust. Now, if there's a third person involved, meaning that they can intercept or they can misuse our information in any way they want to do. And data on the blockchain is distributed among nodes, right? So even if one node is being tempered, it cannot compromise the entire data, right? Now, there are three ways to communicate or interact with the Ethereum blockchain. And the first one is using web.js, or you can also use crypto wallet or wallet for dApps, right? Good. Now, by definition, the Ethereum is a peer-to-peer network of computer named as Ethereum nodes. Anyone can run an Ethereum node on their PC or desktop machine, but then it requires a high computational power and resources, right? So you can set up your Ethereum node and you can run it. There is no harm. So we will look at Ethereum nodes, the nodes that are live, right? I'll walk you through them. Then every Ethereum node run Ethereum clients such as Git, and we have types of them. We have the full node, the light node, and the rest. So Ethereum also runs a VM, which is called Ethereum virtual machine. bytecode. So it's based on a global consensus mechanism, which is that it has a microkernel, stack, memory, and storage. Now there are new clients for the Ethereum 2.0, which runs on Bitcoin, also shared chains and support proof of stakes consensus mechanism. So as beginner, you don't need to know much of these stuff now, but in our intermediary course, we will explain it into much details. So we can look at the Ethereum nodes by going to Ether nodes, right? You can Google Ether nodes, right? So these are the current nodes that are alive. So all these things are powering the Ethereum blockchain, right? So in order for you to shut it down, it means that all these stuffs need to go down, which is nearly impossible, right? So you can view more, see their IPs and whatever ISP, internet service providers, that is backing them, right? Then we can also check the operating system that each particular node is used. So the most popular ones are Linux, Windows, and Unknown and Mac OS. Right. So you can check it out. Ether knows. I'll add it to the description so you can look at it. So I'll end here so that we look at the next episode. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more series.